Edinburgh, a city of castles and volcanoes, the legendary Royal Mile, and iconic film locations from Harry Potter. And this year, it is also home to EuroSTAR 2025. That's right! From June 3rd to the 6th, EuroSTAR is coming to Edinburgh. And so am I! Join me for my modern performance tutorial, where you will not only learn the ins and outs of load testing, but you'll also take a holistic deep dive into performance testing and observability, all with hands-on exercises. But that's not all. EuroSTAR 2025 will bring incredible speakers covering AI in QA, including Erika Chestnut, Mark Harman, Rick Marcellis, Abiola Razak, Adam Matlax, Michael Bolton, Rahul Parwal, Emna Yaldi, and many more. Don't miss it, and see you in Edinburgh!